Google teased an AI Studio app for Android and iOS at I/O 2026, but now that mobile application has been cancelled for a deep Gemini app integration. Hey GadInsiders, welcome to your Tech Hub. The AI Studio app was supposed to let you capture an idea on the go and have a working prototype ready by the time you get to your desk. It was an alternative to using Google AI Studio in your mobile browser. The AI Studio team shared that over 800,000 users pre-ordered the app on Google Play and the App Store, showing that they're interested in building software on the go. However, Google is no longer releasing this app, saying instead of asking you to download yet another app, we've decided to take an entirely different approach, one where apps emerge naturally in the course of your everyday conversations with Gemini. The team is now partnering with the Gemini app team to make that a reality on mobile and desktop. The AI Studio website will continue for those who want to go from an idea to a prompt to a business. Google releasing a more dedicated mobile experience for AI Studio would have been fine and seems like something the company has the resources to do so, but now its integration in Gemini reveals about the future of the Gemini app. Gemini being able to create apps that help address whatever problem or need you have while chatting sounds like the natural next step for generative user interfaces. The implications of this could be profound. For example, if you want to start a garden and don't have any prior knowledge, imagine Gemini creating an app that teaches you the basics with a simple app which has tabs for lessons, logging, and reminders. This is already possible with Gemini Canvas today, but a native app, especially on Android, could go a long way. For more updates, subscribe to GadInsider, like and share the video, and don't forget to press the bell icon so you never miss any update.